Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K55 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage lighting via keyboard. Firstly press FN button and press buttons from 1 to 0. Next, you can press this button to change brightness level of your keyboard. Next, if you press FN button and press this button, you will reset to default effect. If you press plus minus button, you'll increase or reduce speed of your keyboard. Plus and equal button to increase effect speed. FN plus this button to rotate to left, and this button to rotate effect to the right. And that's basically it about lighting of your keyboard. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.